Hey guys, welcome back to AlphaCars and Euro Motorcycles, New Hampshire. Today we've got a beautiful silver BMW 430xi. This is a 2018. It's got the twin power 4-cylinder motor. It's got the lighting upgrade kit, slightly updated bumper and wheel options, bodywork from the 2017 and prior, which would have been the 428. So this motor has a slight upgrade as well. I'll take you for a quick walk around the car, show you the ins and outs, start it up. Here we go. So we do have two keys for the car. I think first thing to take a look at is the lighting on it. So we do have the LED taillights which come around the side here. And the LED headlight surrounds. Let's get the car fired up. Start stop button here. Interior is in great condition as well, with the sport seats, with some contrast white piping down here on the inserts in the middle, white stitching, iDrive knob. Everything in the interior is in excellent condition. It is a sunroof vehicle as well. Some great options on the car. Back seats are nearly untouched, it looks like. And we've got the latest iDrive controls here. Factory navigation, weather, vehicle information, with redundant displays for some of that up here in the center display. We've got the red stitching on the steering wheel. This is the real leather upgrade, so this is much nicer to touch than the typical vinyl wheels that you'll get in most of the BMWs. We do have the Harmon Kardon stereo. And I put the lighting on so you can see that. The headlights on. Big fan of these wheels, these split 5-spoke wheels. Most of the 430s and 428s we've seen have a more typical curving 5-spoke. These are more aggressive and have a cool color scheme with the graphite color and the silver middle spoke. The car is largely free of any blemishes. I mean, there are some small scratches here and there, but it is a 2018, so you'd expect it to be like new, and it does deliver on that. It's in great condition. Tires are in great shape. Brakes are in great shape. Let's give it a quick rev. You've got the heated seats on. And it sounds great for a 4-cylinder, especially a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo. You know, it's really got I've noticed a deeper sound from the previous generations. I'm not sure if BMW's changed something in the way that the sound is experienced in the cabin. But it's an excellent all-wheel drive, year-round coupe. A lot of style. Let's shut it off here. So if you'd like to come and check this out, we're located in Northampton, New Hampshire. No need to wait till the spring with all-wheel drive here. And the snow is piled up, but this car is cleaned and ready for you to take a look at and test drive today. Looking forward to seeing you here at AlphaCars.